Today we'll be checking back in with Luna Coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Luna go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Luna Coin chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Luna or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But Luna Coin, despite everything that has happened, has been having an insane run. And if you recall, I mentioned in my last video that we might be overcooked slightly here, so we'll probably test once again this $100 mark, and we saw this on a few occasions before coming back down to one of our two support points. It looks like our support point here at about 85, 86 was breached, and then we dropped down almost to the next level of support, which was about 78. But this 20-day moving average has moved up now, and we are trending above it still. We've gotten back past that point of horizontal resistance again, or support now it is, and we are moving in the right direction. Currently we're sitting at $91.91. Overall looking very, very good. We could almost start to put in place, in my opinion, a little bit of a trend line for us moving into the future. A bit of an uptrend, as you can see here. It looks like that's almost where we're about to be sitting, but there isn't, I suppose, a lot of price action touching that point, so it's a bit hard to gauge exactly what is going on from that perspective. Now, what I expect to happen is we do move up along this line here, this short little uptrend line, and we move back towards this $100 mark. And then basically what is going to occur by, I suppose, early January, we're going to see a test once again of the $100 mark before breaching it and starting to make brand new all-time highs once again. And the reason I'm so bullish is because you can see the volume is also dropping as well. We're not seeing major buying occurring, yet we're still moving in the upwards direction, indicating there's significantly more buyers than sellers at the moment. People are not wanting to sell or make a profit off their Luna coins at this point in time. Obviously, with a drop in this sort of volume, we're going to see that when we do break out an increase, we're going to have a big spike, similar to what we saw in this sort of a manner over here. Let's bring in the MACD now, have a look at that one quickly. MACD, we did have a cross of the 12-day MA below the 26-day MA, and that occurred roughly when the overall crypto market had a bit of a bad few days. And it looks like now the lines, although they are moving both in a downwards direction, this little hump here that we've seen of red candles is now decreasing, and with the price action managing to stay upwards, and if we continue trending above this line, we're going to see that 12-day EMA cross back above the 26-day EMA in the near future. So that is looking relatively good for us at this point in time. RSI, let's have a look at that one. If it actually wants to come up. Nope, I'm in the wrong screen. Here we go. RSI, bring that one up. We were in the overbought range. As I said, overcooked at that point in time. Need to cool off. It's exactly what did happen. And now we are sitting at 62.1 on the higher end of things, but we are back now in the acceptable range between 30 and 70 points. So overall, looking really, really good from that aspect. We've had a cool off. Hopefully this, I suppose, starts to either continue to plateau a bit more before we do see the breakout, or even drop. That would be ideal, but it's obviously determined by the amount of buying and selling volume that we are seeing. Overall, what is my target? My target is still to maintain this upwards trend and, of course, break through the $100 mark to brand spanking new all-time highs. Just for reference, our all-time high at the moment is $106. Absolutely crazy, and it has been one of the best runs of many cryptocurrencies over the past year. That wraps up our analysis for today, guys, on Luna Coin. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below on where you think Luna will go in 2022. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit that subscribe button. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.